What's up, guys? Today we are playing Don't Press the Button Fall with my niece and my cousin Tash027 and Star from the last video. Who's even gonna press the button? Me. Free for giant noob. Let's go and do it, guys. What the? Bro, don't let me go in. Ooh, guys. Ooh. I got the button presser. Start your the button presser.
Alright. What's this? I got shooted off the map.
Oh, I nearly won.
Almost everybody got shooted off the map.
No, I nearly won. Okay, second. I think.
What's this? Oh, diamond. Diamond.
What time I found it?
What's your favorite type of gemstone?
I'm not sure. To be honest.
Mine's probably like
Rubies.
yeah, they're pretty cool.
So I already found it.
That was so fast. That's like crazy. Reach the bottom. Oh, it's like rockets, guys.
Is that? We should do our next video.
Yeah, guys, comment down below if you want rockets for the next video.
Yeah, them two can be in it, guys. Again. Oh, I'm at the hard part.
I might be in it. I might not. Well, next time you guys
So easy.
I know, right? Like, who can't even do it? Tanisha, whatever.
We're just calling her Tanisha just for like weird.
Because it sounds like Tanish.
It sounds better.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just gonna call her Tanisha, even if it's not a real name. Get to real. Oh no!
I'm gonna beat you guys all. I am the car driver master. Oh, well, car driver. Me is the winner. Somebody won and I'm like the first one. I can't even see anybody.
I have a jetpack.
You have a jetpack? Is that how rich? I have Tabasco, so I run around everywhere.
I have a jetpack, guys. Guys, I have a jetpack. No joke.
That's how you win. I have Tabasco and it drives me crazy when I eat it. I run around everywhere and I have something they use to build it.
Really?
Yeah, look.
I don't think the people can hear you. I've never seen this one.
Oh no,
Stop the fire. What fire?
there's gonna be fire coming. You have to stop it or else these explosions are going to explode. How do you stop the fire?
Just step on them. It's gonna go on the black strips. No, don't let.
I died for some reason.
No, we let it explode. Yes, I am.
Oh, guys, who's going to get stuff?
It's only the middle. Just go through the middle.
It's not the middle one.
It is.
Guys, if you guys are like me, you want to be extra.
It's always the
I
middle
ate
one.
Tabasco by accident. Oh no!
I died, guys.
Let me
Oh, I'm
out.
back here.
Look, I'm glitched in.
Guys, I'm the button presser. Let me jump on my dad.
Which one is the right one? I'm so scared.
Bro, this guy blinks.
I got the right one. Yes, I'm the winner. I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
No, you have not. I can't see you on the winner board. Come on.
Oh dear. This is gonna fall, isn't it? Yep, I'm here.
Bro, why is there a zombie from Minecraft here? This is Roblox, not
It's a
Minecraft.
mutant zombie.
Yeah.
I don't know. What is this?
This is not Minecraft, is it?
He's a mutant zombie. Guys, do you guys like zombies? I hate them.
In it, bro.
This is scary. Yeah.
Because for my next video, I'm hopefully going to actually play Brawl Stars.
Finish, guys.
If you guys like Brawl Stars. Guys, I nearly forgot you guys were here. Sorry. Shush. I don't think they can hear you, Terrence.
Yeah, we need to be a bit louder.
Oh, Storm.
Oh no, what is this?
Just keep jumping.
Just jump.
Just keep jumping, just keep jumping.
I died.
I didn't.
I did. Stand still for... No, don't jump. Tanisha's gonna die. Tanisha, you made it just in time. You didn't jump at the last minute. Snowball.
Rain is snowball. Rain is snowball. Go stand on the button. Go stand on the button. Stand on the button. Stop, stand on the button. Or at least like really close to it. Like really, really close. Why are we hugging? Oh, fuck it. Oh, that's a big one. That is dry and nothing, man. That's like half of it. Everything's tiny. There's a mutant zombie. I bet that costs like a million Robux, right? Yeah, but this chat guy, shout out to him. Bro has a crazy mutant zombie.
Why?
Why do I always bounce? Me! Guys, comment down below! I found one. It's actually. But what the hell is this? But what is this? I'm getting up before I die. But nah, bro, my toes in such pain.
I'm pressing the button. Whoa!
Oh, please, please! Please!
Oh my god, I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die!
Okay.
This game is fun.
Oh my god, someone does. No!
This game is so much fun, isn't it?
Please finish. No, I'm about to die. I've died. Yeah, I got me, watch out.
Someone made me die.
Tentation.
I'm the button presser.
Push the ice ball off the
Easy, isn't it? Need it, and I fell off too.
The orb was pushed off.
And I fell off too with the orb.
Ha.
Stay on the rock and avoid the rock.
Oh. I nearly just fell off.
I love these games.
Oh, this is so hard. Here.
The mutant zombie died.
No! I died.
Haha, Madman died.
Oh, Tanch,
You guys can also call him Madman. Oh, people.
Yeah, Madman or Please. Guys, you like my avatar?
It's so...
You know, it's weird. I haven't made any shorts yet.
It's weird. Do you guys like my avatar? My avatar's made out of Roblox.
Oh, see you in another person. One of you will win.
Totally me. I'm loyal.
Come on! Don't let put you in.
I'm stupid like this game.
Guys, we are British. Guys, don't make fun of us. We are British.
Guys, vote for me. Yeah, we both
Oh, 2 players won.
Now I'm gonna die.
What?
Whee! I love dying after.
I actually saw. You were actually off the winners board.
Jump into one. Taser, jump. Stand up, Taser.
Only 3 people survived. Don't fall off. Oh, this was easy. This was so easy. This was actually so easy. No, no.
Yeah, this music is popping out.
End it, bro.
So nasty.
This is nice music, bro. Yeah, it's easy. It's just going around the circles. Oh, now it's going this way. Do you know what? I forgot? I have a jetpack.
If you're about to die, you can use your jetpack.
We're about to be like, bro, where are you? It's just gonna stay here. Like, we just have to stay on the square. Are you already?
Oh my god, I'm dying! I died!
I'm still alive. I'm the only one. How am I still alive? Ah!
Guys, he's trying to be his brother even though I'm his sister. I mean his sister. He's trying to be his sister even though I'm
Guys, I'm going to the toilet. Bye.
Whoa. Guys, I'm going to go to the toilet. Okay, did you close? We'll be right back.
Alright guys, I'm back. So, I just went to the toilet.
Yeah, you missed quite a lot of things. Oh look! Someone else came. A friend.
Hey, Mad Max.
Yeah, Mad Max. Mad Max.
You're not on me. Where's gonna die? Tension's gonna die.
How do you kill people?
You have to throw snowballs at 1 minute.
Guys,
Guys, one more.
is Mad Max here? Oh my god!
Oh.
This is easy, man. I'm dying.
This is quite easy.
Mad
Where
Max
was this
died.
way? Where was this way?
Guys, we really
No, I died!
Wow, yeah, guys, this is pretty hard to be honest. Yeah.
Where are you?
You made it. No, you didn't.
No, you did not.
I made it. No, you didn't.
Look!
You made it, Abdika.
No, it didn't let
Yes, you
me.
did, look. It's a breadstick.
Oh, what the-
breadstick. Where's Mad Max? Mad Max, where are you? Oh, you're all the
I
way
died
up.
again.
You're all the way
You
up.
can, I'm just gonna keep on dying.
I'm dead.
I'm just gonna keep on dying. There he is, guys. Reach. Oh, yeah. This. Well, I'm s- what just happened? Yeah. I can believe you can fly.
I'm flying, guys. Guys, do you guys want to fly or do you guys would rather stay on land?
Stay on land. Easy.
Fly.
Stay on land, bro. Guys, what would you rather do? Leave it in the comments below.
Let's
Bro, where do I go from here?
get out the. I mean, Matt.
Where do I go from here?
Let's get Madman up to 30 subscribers.
40 only?
Yeah, and then we'll,
Only 40?
we'll level up after 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, like that. Okay?
No, it's 1K.
Fine, 1K. No, let's go 100 first. Guys, get him to 100 first.
Oh, yeah, guys. Jump up!
He's gonna try and do his sister.
Should I go with the building? Should I go with the building? There might be too risky. No, I died. My jetpack.
Who's gonna win? What he plays? Main Kisser.
Oh, bro, look at this mutant zombie, man.
I know, I'm just jumping.
I-
in. What the
what the-
hell? I died.
I died as well.
Hell, everybody died.
What the fudge?
Guys, I swear, man. Go in the middle. Go in the middle. Go in the middle, guys. This is a cheat code. Cheat code. Cheat code. I'm dead.
Same. I went there. I'm here.
We got a cheat code. We got a cheat code. Guys, this is a cheat code for this game. Go in the middle.
Just go on top of the bottom. We always survive. Why is everyone
Never
hugging?
die.
Look, literally all of them are hugging. Bro, actually died.
I died the last one. What is this? Guys,
I'm on
we
blue
need to
team.
win this.
I'm on blue team.
Oh.
What team are you on?
I got so confused. I'm on blue team too, by the way.
I did.
Punch is on red team, and then Bossy plays is on red team, I think.
Wait, what happened? I died.
No, I'm on red team. He's on blue team.
You're on red team. Oh, okay. The two boys
So
are
it's me
coming.
and Punch.
Guys, who has the best avatar? Guys, I have a question. Who has the best avatar? Star, Mad Max, me, or Tanch.
Guys, all lean against it so we can all see the avatars.
And guys, be honest. For me, it'll be Star. Where?
Which is the best one?
Yeah, I think Star.
mine is.
Yeah.
Because I have the
Cause you have Robux.
yeah.
You used to have Robux. Mine is the second best, definitely.
I feel like what's
Mad Max. Oh, I hate this one, man. This one's actually so hard. Oh, which one is it? Bro, which one's actually so hard? I'm going in the middle. Okay. Oh! Oh, I died. V60 Wait, guys, the people can't hear you. You have to turn on my microphone.
Oh, sorry guys, I'm here.
You can only hear me.
Oh,
I'm winning, I'm winning.
Me. Can you take other people's?
Yep.
No, I hate when you can do that. But then
Yeah, you can take other people's as well.
I'm taking Tanisha's
Yeah, do it.
or Tanch.
Whatever you want to. I swear I'm winning mine. Because I'm stealing mine.
Are you red?
No, I'm pink. Peach. I'm stealing all of red.
Me and this guy just running around each other's things and just
I'm going to Tanch. What colour are you? What are you doing? Huh? Alright guys, so we have to end it here because apparently Star's mum is calling us, so we have to end it here. And peace!